I'd lost love, my job, my family, everything because of my addiction. Hi, I'm Sheel. Today is my 1 year sober. Yes, me, Sheel. Damn, a girl who couldn't live without alcohol for a minute is 365 days sober. I did it. At first, a sober life seemed unnatural. I wondered what life could possibly be like without ever taking a drink. But the longer I was in it, the more natural this way of life seemed. I thought to myself that I've been kind to people who probably don't deserve it. I've fought some battles that weren't mine to begin with. I've shown up for those who didn't show up for me. But then I thought, enough. I have to be kind to every part of me, to fight and survive even if I'm lonely, to show up for myself without overanalyzing it. One of the most important lessons I've learned is that I have to stay honest, open-minded and willing. Only if I have these three things in my mind every day, I will be able to not only stay sober, but continue on my recovery path and experience blessings which are beyond my wildest dreams. As difficult as it may be, we have to reach a point where we let go of the burdens of our experiences and share the beauty of the lessons that we left behind. Today, I feel nothing but gratitude, a sense of self-awareness I have never felt before. In 1 year, I've learned more about me than in the 36 years of living. What I've learned in 1 year sober is I'm not my past, I'm not my mistakes, my past addiction. I am whom I choose to be. A year ago today, I entered this beautiful place called Zorba, before which I had never attended a party being sober. So I felt nervous, anxiety hit me. I needed my drink. I didn't know how I would survive without a drink, that too in a party. That's where my higher power tested me for the first time. When I entered this place, I'd lost love, my job, my family, everything because of my addiction. And I was ashamed, embarrassed. I had no purpose of living and also felt lost with no purpose or sense of direction. But just one little tiny hope that maybe, just maybe this will work for me. Today, every aspect of my life is amazing. Like I'm actually walking in a dream. I see the world with different eyes that are clear and filled with hope and compassion. Life is still not perfect. It will never be, right? But the program has taught me to deal with it in a very different way. Sobriety does not fix everything, but it allows me to have a clear mind so I could fix my life. The first few weeks into sobriety, my emotions were completely up and down. Happy, sad, hopeful, defeated, angry, confused, blissful, inspired. Sobriety allowed me to feel life on life's terms. The list of gifts sobriety has brought into my life are endless. My disease centered in my mind, creating this body craving I had to become aware of that mind voice. Once I was able to separate the voice from my true self, I could stop the voice dead in its tracks. The voice would, speak to me like, just one more drink, just have one more drink. The voice would bring up my past. I had a bad marriage. I should be angry. Maybe he's cheating on you. He has left you so lonely, emotionally, physically, and mentally. You don't deserve this. You came all the way from India to US to be with him. You should die, etc., etc. The voice sounded like me. It knew what to say, it exactly knew what to say to get me to that next drink. I'm stronger than that voice today because I'm aware of my true self. Every day since this last year, I wake up happy, aware, with purpose, fire in my heart, wanting to be a better me. Still working on love for myself and obviously compassion for others. Staying open to learning new things. I want to say thank you to all the Zorba faculty. If not for y'all, Sheel would have been dead by now. Thank you for giving me my beautiful life back to me. There are no words enough to express my gratitude. Thank you, Sid sir and Ranjita ma'am, for this beautiful and inspiring place, this place called Zorba, which I call my second home. Sobriety brings dreams that seemed unimaginable. I would like to end this with a quote which is very close to my heart. I chose sober because I wanted a sober life, and I stay sober because I got one.